Greetings everyone, I'm Sheena Maytan Cinco from section Reńe, and today I'll be taking 3 minutes of your time to help you learn more about the philosopher Reńe Descartes. Without further ado, let's get started! First of all, who is Reńe Descartes? Reńe Descartes was born in 1596 and died in 1650 at the age of 53. He was the first major figure in the philosophical movement known as Rationalism, a method of understanding the world based on the use of reason as the means to attain knowledge. Reńe Descartes was a 17th century philosopher who is acknowledged as the father of modern philosophy, not only a philosopher, but also well known as French mathematician and scientist. Descartes' philosophical works include his contribution on the discourse of mind-body dualism, physiology and psychology, moral philosophy, religion, and including natural sciences. Descartes laid the foundation for the continental rationalism. Rationalism emphasizes the superiority of reason. Reason is the chief source and test of knowledge. The exercise of our reason is the primary basis for knowledge, not the authority or spiritual revelation. Hence, this famous action, I think, therefore I exist, or I think, therefore I am. With that, for Descartes is a thinking machine, or a thinking being, or a thinking that thinks. Descartes did not deny the existence of God. In fact, he proves the existence of God through the use of reason alone or through the natural light of reason. Following his action, I think, therefore I exist, the fact that we cannot doubt our own existence, it means we cannot also deny that we have ideas, and our ideas develop spontaneously in our mind. For example, the mathematical ideas. When I ask you 2 times 2, that's equal 4, right? The answer jumps out immediately for a more-minded. That's what Descartes means by intuitive knowledge. We have a direct awareness of our idea, our knowledge. Another term for that is self-evident. So rationalism puts premium on the rational or mental cognitive processes to arrive at a certain knowledge of truth or certain truth. We think, we analyze, we construct, reconstruct, deconstruct, and reorganize ideas. And then, we countercheck their conformity with the external world or external reality. This method is called deductive method. For rationalism, our knowledge is innate, not in a sense of inborn, but in a sense that our knowledge is native to us or of natural origin. With that, for rationalism, our knowledge is a prior nature. A prior means prior to or independent of experience, and a prior knowledge is knowledge that comes from the power of reasoning based on a self-evident truth. Reńe Descartes was the leading figure in rationalism. He believed that the information one gathers through the senses are not accurate through the application of his famous methodic doubt. Descartes was convinced that knowledge can be attained not through experience, but through pure reason. In fact, Descartes believed that a strict application of pure knowledge to all epistemological problems is the only way to attain knowledge and certainty. Moreover, human is a thinking being for Descartes. So, Descartes then is seemingly telling us to help each other to educate and train our minds. Because an educated mind or trained intellect has a lot more advantages